Pedicure on my toes. You did not take that.
Okay, I'm letting the videos right now. Smear, what should we name this one?
What?
What did you just do? Because when I leave, brush my teeth. She like doing something bad. What should I put this one for the description? The good. Yeah. Okay, I'm just naming it Raquel and Samara go to bed because it's sort of random.
Pedicure on my toes.
Oh, I want one. Throw it.
Ready? Are you catching? I don't want to hit the computer.
Thanks for opening it. Seismic. It's a juice. Samari and when I leave, brush my crud. That's not good. There's still like 6 more videos to be.
Turkey is nasty. Like yesterday's was good.
Really? It was?
Surprisingly, I hate turkey.
You didn't tell us that. I don't even know if they can see us.